Thank you, Echo and Sarah. Mga kapamilya, love is something that is not just a feeling of hearts beating fast. Ito ay isang powerful thing na dapat ay nakakapagdulot ng positive change sa isang tao. And it should bring out the best in a person. Nakakapagbigay ng tamang direksyon sa buhay at ng lasting happiness. You may not get it on your first try, but don't be afraid to try again. Tandaan natin na after every dark night comes the beautiful morning sunlight to give us hope of a better and brighter day.
My heart, because tonight I'm going back to the one I love, and by tomorrow with the dawn I'll be there, and he'll be beside me. Sunlight, oh sunlight, we need a love and together, shining deep inside of me. Show me the way. I look at the stars and I pray for morning, counting the hours till morning, thinking about the sky. It's so mine. I'm standing on the promise of a brand new day. I do the face of night and night, swaying all alone. I know it needs me just as much as needing. So baby, I'm coming. Oh, oh, sunlight, oh, sunlight, be the love I need to guide me, shining deep inside of me. Sunlight, oh sunlight, show me the way. Oh, oh yeah. And I won't hold him, I won't let me go. No, 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 no more running so and wide. I'm gonna stand like this side. It's my laughter, my lover, my life. It's my sunlight. Oh, sunlight, oh, sunlight, show me the way to a brighter day. Sunlight, oh, very love I need to guide me, shining deep inside of me. Sunlight, oh, sunlight, show me the way. I love you, Lord. Thank you, everyone. Maraming salamat. I love you all, mga kapamilya. See you again next week. Forever po. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa linggo-linggo ninyong pagtangkilik ng Sarah G.